What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add and how to edit a copyright footer into the Astra WordPress theme for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, review the left side of menus on your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, your domain plus WP admin, enter with credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over appearance, and hit the submenu Customize. Once on Customize, review the left side of menus, wait while the page loads, okay? And once page loaded, check for the option next to General called Footer. Click on it. There is no footer widgets in my case, so I'm gonna need to choose one of these three columns. I'm gonna choose the last one. Review the middle side of my screen. There is, if you hover a mouse over each of these three columns, you're gonna be able to see a plus button. Click, and you're gonna be able to apply custom elements right here, custom widgets. And the one that I'm looking for is the one called copyright. Click on it. Now I have a copyright footer completely ready to edit. If I click on the copyright footer widget right here in the left side of my menu, you're gonna be able to fully customize the content of the copyright. You can enter a link in the case that you want, you can change the color, you can even enter with codes in the case that you wish, okay? After doing your changes, all you have to do is hit the publish button. Simple, easy and very effective. And if you click into the design tab, you're going to be able to change other options, for example the font size, the spacing and text color. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.